So this is part 1 of the higher level project. Complex profile, but it's not too bad. You just have to find the points and join. Only 2 holes in the middle. The way this is dimensioned, all the dimensions are working out from the middle, so I'm going to do the same. So instead of marking a datum corner, I'm going to find the center of the workpiece and mark out from the center. All these measurements are going to work up from the bottom. So the whole thing is meant to be 142. As you can see, it's exactly 142. So I'm going to measure in 71 from the side to find the center line. So 71, top and bottom of the ruler. Middle line here with the scribe. Get my tri-square. Line across. I'm just going to get the green marker and draw the center line. Okay, so there's my center line. So all of these measurements are going to be working out from the middle. Okay, I'm going to draw all the horizontal lines, or take all these measurements here and draw them with the Jenny calipers first. The first thing I'll do is the 2 holes. So the first one is up 6 millimeters. So I'll set the Jenny caliper to 6 millimeters. Line across the middle. The next one is up 6 plus 10, which is 16. So there's the 2 holes. Next I want to do is get all these measurements to give me this point, this point, this point. This is already at the top, and I also have to work out where this point is and this line across the middle here. Alright? This one here is up 9. That's on the 2 sides. There's no need to go right across the middle. We'll just make it roughly in these 2 areas. So set the Jenny calipers to 9. So a line across here, line across here. Next one, 9 plus 10, which is 19. So out a bit further this time. So across here, across here. 9 plus 10 is 19, plus 6 is 25. That's a line across the middle. So 25, which is here, line across the middle. (25 plus 10). This is actually the top of the workpiece, which is 35. But to find this point and this point, we need to measure down 8. So 35, take away 8 is 27. So set the Jenny calipers 27. We're going to draw a line just across here at the corner on this side. So that's going to give us the center of the little arc at the corner and where this line meets the edge. Now we're going to measure out from the middle, so we'll go to the left first. So the first measurement out from the middle is at 16, so it's giving us the end of this line here. So 16, both sides of the ruler, top and bottom. So 16 here, 16 here, lean down the ruler, there's a little line here. I'm going to just put a little dot on that with the green marker, because that is one point that we're going to need to draw the outline. Next, at the bottom here, we're measuring out 19. That's going to give us this little vertical line. So I want to get the 19 mark, top and bottom of the ruler. So if this, I can just about see this here on the workpiece, and at the top it's flush as well. Draw a vertical line here, and I'm going to draw that with the green. Okay. Next one is 16 plus 20, which is 36, and this is going to give us a point at the top of the workpiece. So 36. So I can keep the ruler flush with the top of the workpiece and get the 36 here at the bottom. There's a little mark here. I'm going to mark that with the green. 19 plus 20 is 39. That's going to give us a point along this line. So 39. So bottom and top of the ruler. Get the scribe. Little line. I'm going to mark that. there's another point. This one here is going to connect all the way to this point at the edge, because I already know that the workpiece is the exact size. And all we need to find now is this center point here. So 16 plus 20 plus 27 is 63. So from the middle, we'll measure out 63. So again, top and bottom of the ruler, 63. Little line here. And I'm just going to draw in a little cross for that. That's going to have to be center punched and the arc drawn in. Okay, so from that point there, get the center punch, make it a lot easier. Set the divider to 8, and you're just drawing your little arc here like this. Okay, so there's my little arc. We'll do the other side, so the same thing again. So I'm measuring out 16. Give me a line there. 19. It's going to give me a line on the bottom, or two at the bottom. 16 and 20 is going to give me a point on the top, so 16 and 20 is 36. (19 and 20 is 39. Top and bottom of the ruler. It's going to mark out to there. 16 and 20 and 27 is 63. Then all I have to do is join the dots. So I'll join this point to here. So scribe, marker. This point goes right up to the end. Scribe, marker. This point here, right at the edge, connects to here. This line is already done. Describe. There's the outline. You can already see the marks that I drew here with the Jenny calipers. But I'll just use the ruler just to go over them. So the first one is up 6. So 6 on both sides of the ruler. Line across here. And 6 and 10 is 16. 16 both sides of the ruler. Line across. There's my 2 marks for the holes. So dot punch the 2 of those and drill them and cut out your shape.